Today, we are making a banoffee pie that melts in your mouth, crunches in all the right places, and honestly, might fix your mood faster than retail therapy. It's creamy, caramelly, buttery, the kind of dessert that makes you forget every little worry with one bite. I'm not exaggerating, this is my happiest dessert. Let's make it. I'm starting by taking any good crunchy biscuits or cookies, the kind that already have the right amount of sweetness and a tiny hint of salt. No extra sugar or salt needed. I've taken 72 grams of these biscuits and I'm blending them into a coarse powder. Once they're crushed, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter and pulsing for just a few seconds so the butter mixes evenly with the biscuit crumbs. Now I'm transferring the mixture into a small bowl. Press it down with a spatula, making the base even. I'm also creating a little wall around the edges. This will hold all the layers we're about to add. You can bake this base for 5 to 7 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, or refrigerate it for 1 hour. Both ways work perfectly. In another bowl, I'm adding 1 cup chilled whipping cream, 1.5 tablespoon powdered sugar, 2 drops of vanilla essence. Using a hand mixer, whip it just until soft peaks form. Don't go for stiff peaks, soft peaks give a smoother, silkier bite. Set it aside. Now for the hero of this dessert, dulce de leche. This rich caramel-like sauce is the hero of this recipe. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can make it yourself. Just take 1 can of condensed milk, remove the label, and place it in a pot. Fill the pot with water about a ½ inch above the can. Boil it on a slow flame for 3 hours. After 3 hours, let the can cool completely. And inside you'll find the most delicious homemade dulce de leche. I'm adding 5 tablespoons of it. If yours is thick, place the container in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes. It loosens up and becomes easy to pour. Spread it evenly on the biscuit base. It should look glossy and irresistible. Next, I'm slicing 1 medium banana and laying the slices over that caramel layer. Now top it with the whipped cream we made earlier. Spread it evenly all around the bowl, covering every corner. This next part is optional, but very satisfying. I'm adding dairy milk toffee bits, a few extra banana slices, and a light sprinkle of cocoa powder. You can also drizzle chocolate sauce if you're feeling fancy. You can chill it in the refrigerator if you want a firmer texture. But honestly, I can't wait. I'm enjoying it as it is. It's soft, creamy, crunchy, and unbelievably delicious. If this banoffee pie made you hungry, or at least curious, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves easy desserts, and drop a comment telling me your favorite comfort dessert. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another quick, easy, and ridiculously satisfying recipe. See you in the next one. Take care and happy cooking.